Quick and convenient, fast heating element provides even heating and toasting, and indicator lights let you know when it's on and ready for cooking. Hassle-free cleaning, non-stick coating makes this grill easy to clean. Versatile, this sandwich maker can also make sunny-side-up eggs, omelets or French toast. Maximum safety, made of heat-resistant stainless steel with anti-skid feet to prevent accidents. US-based customer service lets you buy with confidence. Ovente warranties that the product shall be free from defects in material and workmanship under normal use and conditions, for 1 year from the original purchase date. Top reviews from the United States. Makes great sandwiches. This is the perfect sandwich maker for grilled cheese sandwiches, and it works well for patty melts, as long as the patty isn't super thick or you use Texas toast instead of regular sliced bread. We have been well pleased with it thus far.